Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add plugin in DaVinci Resolve. First, open any of the browser and go to any official site or any other trusted online source from where you want to download plugin. So I have found this plugin here. I just need to firstly download it. After downloading the plugin, open the downloaded file and then you'll notice that it is a zip file. First, extract it by right clicking and then select extract. Now open the extracted folder. Then you will find this DaVinci Resolve plugin. We just have to double tap on it, but before that make sure DaVinci Resolve is completely closed. Then just double tap on it and now it will start DaVinci Resolve. Now as you can see, I have got this little window which is asking me to install this plugin. So just select install and then the plugin will be installed. Now if I open any of the project and search for that plugin under effects panel, then I should be able to find the installed plugin. In case you can't find it, then make sure that your search filter is set to all folders and then you will be able to see the installed plugin. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe.